Alright, so today we're actually going to go over a program called Slimcomputer. It's actually made by Slimware Utilities. You can actually go ahead and Google them. But I'm just going to show you right now how to use the main features of the program. I've been using this program for a couple of months now, and it's a pretty good, neat little program. I don't know if it's open source or it's freeware. I'm not too sure, so don't quote me on that or anything like that. So basically, you get your brand new spanking computer, but it already has pre-installed software, and normally it's like some sort of trial version of some sort of Media Center or McAfee. McAfee's a popular one. Actually, you usually want to get rid of all that crap, basically. So what this does is going to go ahead and just run a scan. I already did this on this one already. So yeah, you want to go ahead and close all the browsers. It's going to go and check all the applications that you have installed on your computer. This is intended for a first-time use on a new computer, but you can use it. It doesn't matter. It doesn't really matter. So let's just wait on that. But in the meantime, it's actually pretty well put together application. It's pretty colorful. It's really nice. It's actually really nice to look at. It doesn't look all dreary and gray like removal. All right. So it went through all the applications, browsers, and startup items, and it found one thing that didn't like. So if you don't like the HP download store, I'm actually going ahead and just remove it to show you exactly how it goes. So there you go. So performance has been optimized. I think this. Yeah, that's something random. I think I was just googling it. But anyway, so it also has a system restore embedded in here. So if you want to do system restore in here, you actually go ahead and do that. Oh no, wait, that's my fault. If you undid something and something messed up with your computer, you can actually go ahead and restore it from here. Like, see, here's the HP down store that we just put in there. So the only problem I've actually had was with this AVG security toolbar. It was actually having a bit of an issue. It was giving a whole bunch of errors, but I think it might have self-updated somehow, and it's not giving it to me anymore. So I can't really demonstrate it, but for some reason when I uninstall something from over here, from the browsers, when you have your add-on features, like from Chrome and stuff like that, I really don't recommend taking them from here because, like I said, it gives you a few errors and stuff like that. So I got that stuff on there and stuff. So actually I'm going to get this to a little bit later. So yeah, I was having a little bit issues uninstalling add-ons from here because it was giving me errors. I don't know why it's not giving them to me anymore, but it just is. So you're gonna just like kind of have to take my word for it anyway. So this is quite neat. So you can actually switch the. I'm gonna go ahead and switch it from here. So you can actually switch the default browser from here. Usually I just leave it Google. I'm gonna go ahead and do Google again. I have probably Bing. Yeah, it's probably Bing. Not install. It's pretty neat. So I don't have Opera or Safari. I don't know what you want, Safari. And now, down here you have more information on your computer. So as you can tell, I have an E350 processor with 2.6 gigabytes of useful RAM. I actually have 3 in it, and 6310 GPU from AMD Radeon. And so we got that. So yeah, it has its little quirks in it. So I really would just stay away from the browser section. But anyway, so it actually has an installer, just like in Control Panel. It's the same as a Control Panel. This is probably a little bit more efficient than the one in Control Panel, but it's quite good. So yeah, so this actually is a community-based application, the Slimcomputer application. So if you have a program and it's not really like, let's say for example, why is Skype no? Solid Edge. Solid Edge is actually an engineering program and stuff like that. So we're gonna go and it'll ask you what kind of software it is, which I can't. Oh well, it's a good program because it just is. Solid Edge, it would be a well, that's the education version, so very useful program, which it is, and just there you go. So save it. Congratulations. So it'll ask you to log in. I think I already have one already, so I know it's my real name. I think it should. So login. I think it's that one. Yep, that's the one. So that's that one. You can create an application. So there you go. Another one that's not on here is a secure W2 enterprise client. That's actually custom software made by the university where I go to like get on their network and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose education because it is. And very useful program. Oh well, actually it's not very useful. It's a required or other software. So just go ahead and save it. So there you go. So you can go ahead and just make an account with them and just rate and help other people out. So here's Mozilla. I don't know why Mozilla's not ready. So that's a good point. Let's go go ahead and just do that. I'm just blabbering on, ain't I? I guess communication. Very useful program. I use it all the time. So that's basically it. So you can actually go ahead and rate, see other ratings on that from the community itself, and to see if it's an actually good application or not. So the last thing on here is probably optimization part of the program. So this basically is MS config on your start bar. The same thing. It's actually right now it's pulling stuff. So here's a cloud AV where it's comparing it to the antivirus that Slimware Utilities has online, and so it's rating it. And so yeah, so basically a very good program. I mean, I like the fact that it's a very good packaged computer. Oh, and it has all of the, I don't know if I said this already, I completely forgot. Yeah, but and it has all these features bundled up in one spot. All the very useful services that a Windows operating system comes in with the control panel, device, especially device manager, Windows update services, hard drive, and etc. Very useful features, all bundled in one section. So it's very good. Cut some time, you know. So all in all, very good program. I really do like it. The only problem I've only had was with the browser section with uninstalling add-ons from Slimcomputer. So that's the only problem I have. But other than that, it's pretty good. They actually do put good quality software for us to use for free, and it's for free, so you can't really complain. And so hopefully some of you guys found this useful. I'll be making more videos in the future, and have a nice day. I'm just gonna